Hello everybody, it's Pixi again. If you are new to my channel, welcome. What's up? Good morning, good afternoon, good night, whenever you're watching this. I have a lot to talk about, a little bit. I just got a new ring light, so we're testing it out. I think the light is pretty good. If you watched any of my last videos, I've been talking about Show Story for a while. I forgot about this box because it actually came from China. If you watch my last videos, some come from China and some have stock in America, and as you can see, Customs really doesn't give a crap about the state of the box, so I completely forgot I got these shoes. So I was like, what is this? And when I unwrapped it, I was like, oh, I got more shoes. Of course I did. But anyway, the shoes are kind of crazy. If you didn't watch my last videos, please subscribe, by the way, and hit that little bell down below if you're interested in anything fashion or makeup or hair even. Yes, I have new hair. So I really liked these, so that's why I waited for China to deliver. And they have butterflies on them, like there's some pink butterflies, and you have glitter all around. They are just gorgeous, and a little peep toe with the bow on the front. I'm really afraid these are going to get really dirty. I live in Florida. But yeah, you can see the pattern, and they are just, oh, I love them. But I did order a 10. I am a true 9, but because they're from China, I experienced it. You order a size up. They're super narrow, but yes, I love these shoes. So anyway, on to the good stuff. I talked about this in one of my last videos. I got Belle from Shanghai because I talked about Stop Your Bow a little bit, and this is the only one I was missing. I haven't even taken her off the card yet. You'll see her in one of the former videos before. I love these ears. So we went to the Flower and Garden Festival, and I fell in love with these ears. They're just gorgeous. It's called I think it's a pink lemonade or something, but they were really focusing on this for the Flower and Garden Festival, so I had to have these ears. They look purple, but they actually have flecks of rainbow and pink and gold in them. But yeah, they're super cute. Super cute, and they have the Flower and Garden Festival logo on the side. So that's, I'm not talking about the ears, but we're going back on the bow really quick. I found this, I think it was last year. Ronnie and I are pass holders, if you do not already know that, at Magic Kingdom, well, all of Orlando, Disney parks. So Animal Kingdom, Hollywood Studios, Epcot. And we walked past Main Street and I saw this bow on a set of ears, and we walked into the store. I grabbed Ronnie and I was like, where can I get this set of ears? And she's like, oh, actually it's, the cast member was very nice, and it's called Disney Boutique, I think. I keep burping, I'm sorry. Silent burps. And she's like, oh no, it's a new thing. You have Swap Your Bow now. And I was like, okay. And so they had all these dresses. You can see there's the Haunted Mansion and the Tiki Room dresses behind me. So they came out with all these dresses and they had themed bows. So I bought the Tiki Room one first. I keep wanting to say Tiki Bar because we have a Tiki Bar around Claremont. Bear with me. So they just came out with all these different bows, but what you were supposed to do, I wear them as hair bows, but I had to complete my collection. So here's the set that I talked about last time. So you see this classic mini bow, black and silver, and it just pulls off. So there's two slots, one in the center and one on the side of the ear, so you can kind of cock it to the side if you want. And these bows ran for about $24.99, which is about the same price as the ears that you find in the parks, like the fancy ears. And if you bought more than two, they were $20 each. So after I found out the Tiki Room ones, because in the Tiki Room, yeah, it's one of my favorite show type things at Magic Kingdom. And you can still get these on eBay, but I was very, very, very sad when they stopped making them. So there's Little Mermaid. I can't show you all of them. There's, last I counted, there was 19, except for the bonus bows that were only at Disneyland that actually light up. But you have Cruella with her little feather and the Dalmatian print. And I think that's supposed to be like, there's some beads here, so I thought that was, it kind of mocks what she wears in the movie. There's a Cheshire bow. I thought that was really cute. But yeah, once I figured out like what Swap Your Bow was, they told us that they were going to stop making them because they didn't sell as well as they did. But then I noticed that now they have ears based on a lot of the bows they came out with. But if you go on eBay, some of these are going for like $70, so I was happy to like actually collect all of them. I think I said in my last video that this one goes for like $70, and I'm like, glad I got it when I did. So there's Jessie from Toy Story. I mean, they're just really great pieces. So, and I try to match them with my Disney bounding when we go to the parks. I try to say like, okay, this is going to be a Jessie Disney bound, and I can wear the bow. I can wear a Dumbo with a gray skirt, you know, that kind of thing. There's so many. There's Maleficent, there's Haunted Mansion, there's Queen of Hearts, and then the ones from Disneyland that were just kind of like, I found these on eBay looking for the ones I was missing, and I can't figure out, there we go. So, and I have two of these. The other one I have is Belle because I couldn't find the original Belle, which I got from Shanghai, if you saw my last video. So, there's the Belle light up one. They all have 3 settings. So if you can find them, if you really want them, good luck. Sometimes you can luck out and some are still like $16, $20, but I do have to wrap this up because my camera. But so far, I really like the ring light. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, I do a lot of stuff like this. I do a lot of fashion, I do a lot of makeup, I do a lot of Disney stuff, and we talk about my hair a lot. So yeah, if you enjoyed this, be sure to subscribe. Hit that bell down below so you are notified when I do update and make new videos. And I should have a new camera soon, so I'm not so rushed on my videos. I keep saying that every time, but I'm actually seeing my dad tomorrow, so he's promised me a camera. Love you. Thanks for checking it out. See ya.